Welcome to Engine Explorer, where machines aren't just built, they're designed to impress. And today what we're about to show you is not just a motorhome, it's a statement on wheels. This is the 2026 BMW Luxury Motorhome, and trust me, you've never seen anything like it. From the outside it looks sleek, modern, and unmistakably BMW, but once you step inside, it's pure 5-star luxury. Let's begin with the exterior. At first glance, the signature kidney grille immediately catches your eye. It's massive, bold, and fully illuminated. The entire body is wrapped in a futuristic, aerodynamic shell with seamless body lines, retractable solar panels, and 26-inch chrome alloys that look like they belong on a concept car, not an RV. And yes, it even has a gesture-controlled automatic awning. But it's what's inside that truly blows your mind. As the doors slide open silently, of course, BMW engineered them to be whisper quiet. You step into a space that feels more like a penthouse suite than anything on wheels. Italian leather seating, handcrafted wood paneling, ambient LED lighting, and heated marble floors greet you. Yes, heated marble floors. The lounge area features a retractable 75-inch 8K OLED TV, voice-activated climate zones, and a mini-bar stocked with champagne that refills automatically. Every control in the living room is synced to BMW's new iLux smart system. Just say the word, and it happens. Curtains, lights, music, even fragrance settings, all customizable and controlled by voice or the BMW app. And don't think BMW forgot about the kitchen. It's fully loaded, induction cooktops, a built-in espresso machine, a wine cooler, and even a compact dishwasher, all housed in a kitchen that blends into the cabinetry, like something from a sci-fi movie. Now let's move to the master bedroom. A king-size memory foam bed with massage settings, overhead skylights that dim on voice command, and walls insulated so well that you could be parked next to a highway and hear nothing. Opposite the bed, a wall-mounted digital fireplace and another massive screen for movie nights on the road. And yes, there's a bathroom, and it's no afterthought. Rainfall shower, touchscreen mirror, gold-plated fixtures, a walk-in closet. You heard that right, a walk-in closet. In a motorhome, powering all of this, a twin hybrid turbo diesel engine with 700 horsepower, paired with an electric motor for silent cruising. It's not just fast, it's smooth, quiet, and astonishingly stable. Off-grid? No problem. Solar integration and advanced battery storage give you days of autonomy, all monitored in real time from your smartwatch. So why did BMW build this? Because the future of travel isn't just about where you're going. It's about how you get there. The 2026 BMW Motorhome isn't for the average traveler, it's for the visionary, the explorer, the one who demands a luxury hotel experience anywhere on Earth. Make no mistake, this isn't just luxury. This isn't just mobility.